FYI, at Royal Palms, that was one of the first hotels owned by African Americans. They quickly sold it, but it was an opportunity. They made the money. As you can see, you have Lamborghinis for rent, you had Ferraris, and you had other automobiles there, so you could rent those. As I turn on 15th Street, 15th Street is going to go into the beach. Ocean Drive is going to be between 1st and 15th, so therefore Ocean Drive ends here on 15th. But after COVID, they closed off Ocean Drive, I'm gonna say after 13th to vehicles, so therefore between 15 and 14 you cannot drive through. Another, I call it casualty of the pandemic. They used that to, I guess, implement changes that previously they wanted to. Instead of Ocean Drive being a two-way street from 1st to 15th, now it's a one-way street going south. So this is Ocean Drive, okay? And I remember seeing some, quote, stars that you would recognize them from the TV show that live in this building here. All right, the beach is right ahead.